Hello everyone and welcome to Easy Steps. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change your engine oil and engine oil filter on your W212 E550. What you're going to be needing is your engine oil, and I'm going to be using 540 synthetic, and oil filter, and here I have a Bosch. This is going to be Bosch premium oil filter, a ratchet with a 13mm socket, and a floor jack. The car I'm going to be doing it today on is a W212 E550. So let's get started. So first, before jacking up the car, make sure you place a piece of wood or a brick behind both rear wheels, as I've done here. Coming straight under the car, I'm going to bring my floor jack in. And as you can see right here, there's the post to jack up the car, and I'm going to jack up the car from there. After I've jacked up the car, I'm going to place 2 dead jacks under the car. First is going to be right under the driver door, and here's the post. I'm going to set it there. I'm going to do the same on the other side. After coming underneath the car, first what I'm going to need to do is take off the plastic cover, and you're going to need an 8mm socket, and you're going to open all the bolts and remove the cover. So after removing the back cover, which is on the floor right there, you're going to see the black oil pan, which is going to be located right here, and the drain plug is going to be on the driver's side, and it's going to be a 13mm. So we're going to crank that loose and make sure you have something to catch the oil underneath. After cranking it loose, I'm going to loosen the bolt with my hand, and make sure that you do place the drain pan at the right place so you don't have any oil spills. Let the oil drain into the drain pan. So while the oil is draining, we're going to change the oil filter. So first, we're going to have to remove the front cover. Just pull up the sides and pull up the front, set it aside. And my oil filter is going to be located right here. And I'm going to open this and change out the oil filter. So I've loosened my oil filter, and it just unscrews, and now I'm going to take it out, and be careful, you don't want to spill it. I have something here, and just place it in. I'm going to replace the oil filter and the O-ring. Here's my new oil filter and my new O-rings. To remove your old oil filter, you're just going to wiggle it off. And I'm going to replace, there's 1, 2, and 3, so I'm going to replace all 3. To remove them, you could just get like a small flathead and just pry them off. That'll be 1. Smaller ones can be a little tougher, so be careful. Number 2, I'm going to remove the last one, and that will be 3. So the ones I'm going to be needing is the large one, the middle-sized ones, which are going to be the identical ones right here, and the 2 smaller ones I'm going to discard. So before placing on the new O-ring, just get a little old oil and lube the O-ring, and I'm going to slide it and place it back in place. Just as I have here. After placing the O-rings, I'm going to get my new fleece filter, and I'm going to slide it in, and make sure you have the line passed, and push it all the way in when this second line lines up, just as I have here. And now I'm going to place in my oil filter assembly. Place it in, I'm going to screw it in, and I'm going to tighten it down. So once the oil has stopped draining, I'm going to place back my oil drain plug. Tighten it down. After tightening my oil drain plug, I'm going to place back my cover and screw in all the 8mm bolts that I've taken off, and I'm going to drop the car and add my engine oil. The last step is to add your engine oil. The engine oil cap, set it aside, place a clean funnel, and now I'm going to add my engine oil. It's 5 quarts down, and now I'm going to add my other one. I'm going to add 9.5 quarts, and then I'm going to run my engine and check my oil level. So I've added 9.5 quarts. My engine oil cap back on. I'm gonna place my cover. If this video has helped you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.